Good morning and happy Wednesday to you. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, it is now time for recitation. The very first thing we do is the title and the author. And how should we stand? But where are your hands? At your sides, in your pockets, or behind your back. And where are your eyes? On the audience. And where are the audience's eyes? On you. So let's go ahead and do our recitation. Oh, but wait a minute, friends. Before I move on, here, we're right here, or actually today we're right here. So how many days before recitation is due? Let's count. We're not counting today, so we'll count starting tomorrow. 1, 2, we don't count the weekends. 3, on the third day, friends, it is time for you to upload the recitation onto Schoology. All right, so let's go ahead and recite Rain. Rain by Robert Louis Stevenson. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. All right, great job, my friends. It is now time for morning meeting. And as I have stated before, when you are student of the day, the very first thing you would do is turn your clock to morning. And then, of course, you would write your name. But because I am student of the day right now, my name will stay there. Mrs. Harrow would then give you a sticker. And then I would say, all righty, friends, here you go. You are on. This whole thing is called a calendar. And this is called a month. And what month are we in? October. And what word is in October? 2. And this is called the year. And what year are we in? 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday was Tuesday, then that means today would be Wednesday. And friends, we have a number day missing. Let's count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. But before we place 21, let's go ahead and do our ABB pattern. So here we go. Rectangle, circle, circle, 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 rectangle, circle, circle. And we're looking for what number? 21. And what 2 digits are in 21? Yes, a 2 and a 1. So we'll go ahead and place that there. Now, friends, we need to write today's date, but what are the 3 things we have to write? The month, the date, and the year. Please tell me again the 3 things we have to write. The month, the date, and the year. So please help me with the letters in the month, beginning with capital O, lowercase C, Danilian T. Remember, friends, we write Danilian style, so it is very, very important that you are adding your monkey tails. O, A2O, that spells a sight word, two. B, E, and finally R, October. And then, friends, we need to write today's date. I'm going to finger space and what two digits are in 21? A 2 and a 1, followed by, yep, a comma number. Nope, it is a space. And then go ahead and tell me the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 0. Now, friends, I want you to look at how I've written the month, the date, and the year. Our capital letter starts from the top to the bottom. Our lowercase letters are written all underneath the dotted line, and our numbers are written from top to bottom. So make sure that that is how you are writing your numbers. I should not be seeing any floating letters or floating numbers. If you are having problems with that, right now is when, parents, I need you to help your scholar with that. All right, so let's go ahead and read today's date together. So here we go. Today's date is Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 49 days, what would today be? Today is the 50th day of school. So let's go ahead and find out how many Mr. 10s and Mrs. 1s we're going to need. So please go ahead and help me. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40. Oh, okay. Mrs. 1s. Okay. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and we need 50. Friends, there's no more Mrs. Once. What do I do? I don't have any more Mrs. Once. Okay, so I'll have to go ahead and put all of my Mrs. Once back here, and I will draw out a 10, and let's see if that's correct. I don't know. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so here I have 50. Now let's go ahead and graph the 50 on our days in school graph. All right, so let's look here. So here's our days in school graph. Am I going to write anything in my 100s column? Nope. How about in my tens column? Well, how many did I have? Let's look here. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4, so I have 4 right here, plus 1 more. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So I will write a 5 right here in our tens column. And friends, am I going to write, do I have any ones? So what do I write there if I don't have any? Yeah, a 0. Now let's take our days in school tag and see if it matches. So do we have 5 Mr. 10s? Do we have 0 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 50 days. That is a lot of days to be in school, friends. All right, it is now time for our coin cup. Coin cup. Coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. And the coins that we have in here are pennies. And when we count pennies, we count them by ones. And a penny is worth how many cents? 1 cent. Now, remember, friends, don't count ahead of me. Wait to count until you hear this. Okay, once you hear that, you know that we can keep counting forward. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cents. Now let's go ahead and make sure that we have 11 cents on our morning math board. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 cents on our morning meeting board and 11 cents in our coin cup. So let's go ahead and write that on our meeting board. And how do I write 11? Oh yeah, a 1 and a 1. Oh, 11. That means that is a what? It is a special number because you can read it from left to right and right to left. So let's go ahead and write our cent sign. Remember, it is a C with a line drawn down the middle. And let's go ahead and count. We'll go ahead and start counting by tens, but we're going to start at our 0. So here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's go ahead and count by 5s. Remember, we will not stop there. We'll keep going higher. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. All right, let's look at our 100s chart. And we started counting back, friends, from 20 all the way to 1. Of course, from here to here, we will have a normal voice. When we get here, we'll do it quiet. So let's go ahead and do this. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Very, very good. All righty, friends. So let's look at our today's pattern. Someone has written us a pattern, but they stopped in the middle of it. So let's look and see what we need to add. So let's start here. 10, 9, 8. Well, how are we counting? Yeah, we're counting backwards. So let's try it again. 10, 9, 8. Ha, 7. Okay, go back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Very good. And then go back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Excellent, friends. We have now completed today's pattern counting backwards from 10 all the way to 5. Now, before we move on, really quickly, I want to ask you a question. So if I were to ask you what day of the week, here's our days of the week. What day of the week is October 15th? Now listen again. What day of the week is October 15th? So look at your calendar. So there is a clue that you need to follow. So if I say what day of the week, we know that these right here are our days of the week. So what day of the week is October? This is October 15th. So first things first is I have to find that number. So what number did I say? October what? Yeah, October 15th. So let's look here. So here's 15, and in order to find out the day of the week, that means I have to go up right here. But what if I don't know what day of the week that is? Go all the way back to Sunday, and let's read that. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So if I were to ask you again, what day of the week is October 15th? You should say Thursday, Mrs. Harrow. And then I would say, well, how do you know that? What are the clues that you used? And you would say, I first located the number, and then I went up to the day of the week. And then if I don't know the day of the week, I go all the way back to Sunday. So let's try another one. What day of the week is October 19th? Listen again. What day of the week is October 19th? So look at your calendar. Your very, very first clue is what do you have to locate? You have to locate the number. And I said October what? October 19th. So here's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then I have to go up to find out the day of the week. What if I don't know that? I go all the way back to Sunday. So Sunday, Monday. So if I were to ask you what day of the week is October 19th, you should find that first you find the number, go up, and you would say, it's Monday, Mrs. Harrow. All right, so make sure that you are paying attention to those type of questions because something like that will come up on an assessment. So for our live session, please make sure that you bring your math facts so that we can work on the timing. All right, so I'll see you in a bit, friends.